Good afternoon. I'm Thai, and I'm currently studying for a Bachelor of Business, majoring in International Business at Swinburne University of Technology. Today, I'm going to present about my personal reflection throughout the course BUS 30031, Sustainable Business Practice, and my team working experiences. First, I would like to discuss about my personal reflection, my journey as an implementer in a sustainable business case study. So, in our Sustainable Business Practice unit, my team worked on a group case study analyzing the entry of UK-based personal care brand Here We Flow into the Vietnamese market. I took on the role of researcher and contributed to several key areas of the project, including the business strategy, vision and mission, competitor analysis, and the impact of UN Sustainable Development Goals. Moreover, I carry analysis of Vietnamese business environment using steeple and portafilter forces. According to the Belbin team roles inventory, my result was implementer, someone who turns ideas into action, organizes tasks efficiently, and stays grounded in practically. And that really reflects my approach to this group project. Next is my contribution in this project. As a team researcher, I naturally learn into my Belbin implementer strength, bringing structure, clear timelines, and actionable research to the group. I focused heavily on strategic frameworks and evidence-based insights to support our market entry proposal. Specifically, I conducted the steeple and Porter's five forces analysis, which gave our team a deep understanding of both the external environment and the intensity of competition in the Vietnamese personal care market. This helped shape our strategy and business model. I also worked on the competitor analysis, comparing Flow with brands like Durex, Glide, and Sustain. This helped us position Floor in the niche space as a sustainably and socially responsible brand, which became a core part of our final recommendation. Additionally, I contributed to aligning our project with four key UN Sustainable Development Goals SDG 3, 5, 12, and 13, which connected Floor's business purpose with social and environmental outcomes. This integration not only strengthened our report but also deepened my understanding of how sustainability can be a strategic driver in business. Throughout this process, I communicated regularly with teammates, clarified research points, and helped resolve minor uncertainties. This role allowed me to see how strong analysis and clear communication can drive meaningful teamwork and business insight. The team dynamics and peer feedback. At the start of our project, our team faced a few challenges. We didn't fully click right away. Communication was a bit slow, and we struggled with aligning our workflow. But we eventually had an open and honest conversation, which helped us move from the storming to the norming stage of Taxman team development model. After that turning point, our collaboration improved significantly. We began to communicate more effectively, delegate tasks based on our strength, and support each other's idea. I think this shift reflected our growing ethical responsibility as a team, being honest, respectful, and willing to adapt the sake of the group's success. In the Week 12 peer review, I was really grateful to receive a 98% rating from my teammates. The feedback was very positive. They acknowledged my teamwork, knowledge contribution, and the supportive role I played. One area they highlighted for improvement was time management, which I completely agree with that. At times, I was so focused on the depth of research that I needed to be more efficient with deadlines. What I learned about myself after this project. One of the biggest takeaways from these experiences was how I naturally take on the implementer role in a team, staying organized, being solution focused, and translating strategy into action. I also discovered how important it is to build relationships, not just complete tasks. While I communicated well and helped solve problems, I could have done more to actively strengthen the team bonds, like checking in more regular or initiating informal chats to build trust. Another key learning was around the research depth. I confident in my analytically skills, but I know I can push myself further by going beyond surface level analysis and challenging assumptions more deeply. This project helped me to see how technical skills and emotional intelligence work together, and how both essential in any team setting. Looking ahead, capstone in career, my future application. This team experience has shaped how I'll approach future group work, especially in capstone 2 when I step into my graduate role. Firstly, I'll be more proactive about building team relationships from the beginning. I've learned that trust and mutual respect are as important as technical skills, and I'll prioritize open communications from day one. Secondly, I plan to push my research skills further by focus on depth and critical questioning. In Capstone 2, I want to take on complex research tasks that challenge me to think more strategically. I also apply what I've learned about the UN SDGs, market frameworks like Steeple and Porter's Five Forces, and ethical business strategy, not just in theory, but as tools for solving real problems. In my future career, these insights will help me become a more effective contributor, someone who balances practical execution with sustainable thinking and collaborative unit spirit. This is my reference about the key frameworks in this case study. Thank you very much for listening to my personal reflective video.